If you're seeing an MSN internal server error, don't worry, this is often a temporary issue, and in many cases it can be fixed in just a few simple steps. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix MSN internal server error, clear out any bad browser data that may be causing it, and check whether the issue is actually part of a larger Microsoft outage. If this tutorial helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the first and most common fix, which is clearing out saved cookies and cached files. Sometimes when a website throws an internal server error, your browser can store a broken version of that page. So even after Microsoft has fixed the problem on their side, your browser may still keep loading the same bad state again and again. That's why the first thing you want to do is purge those saved files. On Windows, open your browser and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. From here, look for the time range dropdown and set it to last hour if the issue just started recently, or all time if you want to do a full reset of that site data. Then, make sure you check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the two most important items for this fix. Once those options are selected, click Clear Data. Give the browser a moment to finish, then close all open browser windows completely. After that, reopen your browser and try logging back into MSN again. In many cases, this alone is enough to remove the old broken session and force the site to load a fresh version. If the error is still happening, the next thing you should do is check whether MSN or Microsoft is dealing with a larger outage. Because an internal server error usually means the problem is on the server side, it may not be something you can fix locally. This is especially true if multiple users are reporting the same issue at the same time. To check for a wider outage, go to a real-time tracking site like Downdetector and search for Microsoft or MSN. Look at the report graph and see if there's a sudden spike in user complaints. If there is, that usually confirms the issue is part of a broader platform problem. In that case, the best fix is simply to wait until Microsoft resolves it. You can also try the page again after a few minutes or test it in another browser to see whether that error is browser specific. If it loads elsewhere, that's another sign the issue was caused by local cache or cookies. If it fails everywhere, then it's likely a server-side issue and you'll need to wait it out. So to recap, the fastest way to fix MSN internal server error is to clear the bad cookies and cached files, reopen your browser, and then check Downdetector to see whether there's a global or regional outage affecting Microsoft services. This combination helps you rule out both local browser problems and larger server issues. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.